Hello everyone, this is Praneeth. In the last session, we are seeing this basic example program. To print any data, what function we have? Printf function. Okay. So, in order to work with printf, we need to include a header file called stdio.h header file, standard input output.h. So, every C program must have one main function. Okay. Main tells the compiler the execution begins from here. Okay. So, what is a compiler? A high level program is converted into low level language. Okay. Why? Because computer can understand only low level. That's why we need to compile this high level language into low level language. Now we will see some small addition program. Okay. See here, a is equal to 5, b is equal to 5, c is equal to a plus b. This is a small basic primary math program. Okay. So here a, b, c are variables. A, b, c are variables. Okay. So to print any function, to print any data, what function we have? Printf function. Okay. Now see here, a is equal to 5. In the last session, I explained how to declare a variable. Okay. What is the syntax? Data type variable. Okay. If there are more than one variables, comma, and mention b is equal to 20, comma, c. Okay. In single line, I declared a, b, and c. Okay. So in the next line, I am writing c is equal to a plus b. Okay. So to print a variable, to print any data, what function we have? Printf. Okay. So percentile d, comma, c. So let me explain this one. So here data type I am writing as integer. Since a is holding what value? Integer value. What are the integer values? Natural numbers. Okay. So b is holding what value? Integer value. So a, b both are declared under what type? Integer type. Okay. Then what will get the output in C? 30. So 30 is also integer value. So while when you are using a variables in the program, you must declare those variables. Okay. So how to declare? Data type space space. You must use space. Data type space variable name. If you want to give value, comma variable name, comma variable name. Okay. If you want to assign values, you can assign values here also, no problem. Okay. So whenever you are working with variables in the program, you must declare them. How to declare means this is the syntax, data type variable. Okay. So in computer language, you must specify the data type. You must tell what a is holding, you must tell what b is holding, you must tell what c is holding, you must tell to the computer. Okay. So here I am telling a, b, c are integer variables. Why? Because a, b, c are holding integer values. So you need to declare under int data type. Okay. So we know that primary data types are int, float, char, and double. Okay. So here values are there for a and b, and here I am performing addition. C is equal to a plus b. Then what is this one? Printf percentile d, comma, c. So to print a normal text, to print a text, this is addition program. This is addition. Okay. So to print a text, this is the syntax. To print a text, this is the syntax. The text must written in the double quotes. Okay. To print a variable, the syntax is this one. This is called, this percentile d is called format specifier or control string. Okay. So format specifier must be in double quotes, comma, which value you want to print. I want to print the value present in the C. So after comma, write that variable. Okay. Format specifier in the double quotes, comma, C. I want to print the value present in the C. Okay, so place that variable here. Now I am compiling the program. C, execute, compile and run. So I got output as see here 30. I got output as 30. Okay, and I got the text also. This is addition. Here I gave /n now, so it will print in the next line. If I did not give a /n, see the output, compile and run. So 30, what is the output? 30. This is addition. So that's why use /n here. Use /n and execute, compile and run. Okay, so 30, this is addition. Okay, so if you place a here, what it will print? If you place a, it will print the value of a only. See here, what you got? 10. Okay, if you place b in the place of a, if you write b, what you will get? You will get 20. Why? Because b value is 20. Okay, so what is the syntax? %d in the format specifier, format specifier or %d. It is called as format specifier. Format specifier in the double quotes, comma, which value you want to print, a, b or c. Which value you want to print, you need to place after comma. So to print a variable, what is the syntax? %d, that is format specifier in the double quotes, comma, variable. Which variable you want to print. To print a text, what is the syntax? Just text in the double quotes. The text in the double quotes. Okay. To print a variable, to print a value present in the variable, what is the syntax? Format specifier in the double quotes, comma, variable. Okay. See here, the addition of A and B is, so not only simple format specifier, you can add text also. See here, I am executing, compile and run. The addition of A and B is 30. See here, the addition of A and B is 30. Okay, so what is the syntax for text? How to print a text? The text should be in double quotes. It is present in double quotes now. See here, double quotes is there. The text should be in double quotes and the format specifier should be in double quotes. The format specifier also must be in double quotes. See here, it is also in double quotes. Format specifier also in double quotes. Okay, so here compiler recognizes only the format specifier. Okay, so as soon as the compiler find this format specifier, it will check for the variable. So what is the variable after comma? C. So what is present in C? 10 plus 20, 30. So the value present in the C gets replaces in the place of format specifier. Okay, you must listen very carefully regarding this one. Okay, the value present in the variable gets replaces in the place of format specifier. Now see here, I am keeping the format specifier here. The addition of A and B. See here, execute, compile and run. What you got output? 30 is the addition of A and B. Okay, so compiler recognizes the format specifier. As soon as it find format specifier, it checks for the variable present in the it checks for the variable after comma. What is the variable after comma? C. So what is the value of C? C value is 30. So the value of the variable is replaced in the place of format specifier. So we got output as 30 is the addition of A and B. Okay. So this is the example. Now we will see using float values. See here 5.5 and 3.5. Okay. So A is holding what value? Float value. Float means fraction value. B is holding what value? Float value. Float means fraction value. Automatically C also gets float value. So what would be the data type here? The data type must be float. Okay, change the data type for the variables. Okay, so now compile it. We will get one error here. Sorry, we will get the output as 0. Why 0? Okay, so the addition of A and B is 0. Why? Because here we need to change the format specifier. So for float, what is the format specifier? Percentile F. For integer, what is the format specifier? Percentile D. Now see the output. 5.5 plus 3.5, 9.00. Okay. So by default, it will give 6 values after fraction. 6 values. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. So 5.5 plus 3.5 is 9.00. Okay. So if you are working with float values, what would be the data type? Float. Okay. So when you are printing a variable of float type, what would be the format specifier? Percentile F. Okay. If you place percentile D, you won't get output. You will get error or different output. Okay. So for float, what would be the format specifier? Percentile F. See here carefully. This is another example. A is holding a character. Always character must be in single quote. B is holding a character and C is also holding a character. Okay. So data type must be char. C-H-A-R. Char. Okay. Clear? So to print a character, the format specifier is percentile C. Okay. To print a character, the format specifier is C. Okay. So I am compiling. See here. The addition of A and B is so what C is holding? C is holding Z. Okay. The addition of A and B is Z. So whatever you write in the double quotes in the printf, simply it gets prints. Okay. So no matter whatever it is. Okay. So here change the values of A, B, C are. So how many values you want to print? 3 values. So write 3 format specifiers, comma A, B, C. Okay. See here. The values of A, B, C are X, Y, Z. What is A value? X. What is B value? Z. What is C value? Z. Okay. So if you want to print only one, write only one format specifier, variable name. Okay. If you want to print 2 values, 2 variable values, write 2 format specifiers, 2 variables. If you want to print 3, write 3 variables, 3 format specifiers. Okay. Okay. So if you have any doubts, please listen again. So integer, character, float, 3 data types. On 3 data types we have seen examples. If you have any doubts, please listen again. Definitely you will get understand. Please subscribe my channel to get new updates. Please share to your friends. Thank you for watching.